Okay, now let's check out the water ionizer. First, we can see the water ionizer parts and the manual in English. Pipes and the main machine. Yeah, this is all. Inside of this water ionizer parts, we can find the wrench for removing the filters, the water valve adapter, the small accessories for hanging the water ionizer on the wall, and the power cable, and the water faucet for the water ionizer. First, let's fix the water faucet to the water ionizer. You can bend the faucet to any direction. Okay, now we are going to install the water valve adapter to the faucet. Tighten the screw. And if you have another type of the water faucet, then you can use this black rubber ring to adapt. This adapter is universal for most of the faucets in the market. Now cut the pipe into 2 pieces according to your requirement, and fix the clips on one end of each pipe. And this is the water inlet, and this is the water outlet. Connect the pipe to the inlet and outlet. And fasten the clip. Take out the screw nut and put the water inlet pipe through the screw nut. And put it on the adapter and fix the screw nut. Connect another pipe to the adapter in the same way. Now we are going to connect the power cable to the machine. And plug to the power. turn on the water. Now the output water is the tap water. And when you switch the adapter, now the water flows into the water ionizer, and there is the acidic water output. Now let's turn on the water. The output water from the valve is the tap water, and when we switch, the water will flow into the machine. You can select different levels of water.